Hey everyone, welcome back to Wiki Talk, the place where learning feels easy and fun. I'm Ethan.
And I'm Sophie. Today we're diving into something every English learner needs: how to sound more natural in everyday conversations.
Yep, we're talking about those common phrases people keep using, but native speakers almost never say them that way.
And trust me, once you learn the natural versions, your English will sound 10 times smoother.
All right, let's start with phrase number 1. Learners often say, I am very happy. Technically correct, but too formal for daily conversation.
A natural version would be, I'm really happy, or even, I'm so happy right now.
Exactly. Shorter, softer, sounds like real conversation.
Okay, here's a fun one. Many learners say, can you please help me?
Again, nothing wrong with it, but native speakers often say, could you help me out? Or hey, can you give me a hand?
Notice how friendly and natural that sounds. Small changes make a big difference.
Let's teach them one of my favorite expressions. No worries.
Yes, instead of the usual, it's okay or don't worry, no worries feels casual and positive.
Here's another one. Sounds good. This replaces longer phrases like, that is okay for me, or I agree with that plan.
And if something surprises you, instead of saying, really, you can say, seriously? No way, you're kidding.
All right, listeners, time for a 10-second practice. Repeat after us wherever you are.
I'm really happy.
Sounds good.
No worries.
You're kidding.
Nice. Feel the difference? That's how real English flows.
If you learned something new today, hit that like button and share this episode with someone who's learning English too.
And don't forget to subscribe to Wiki Talk. We drop fun learning episodes every week.
All right, that's it from us. Keep practicing, keep smiling.
And we'll catch you in the next episode. Bye.